In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a card to DoorDash Driver. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up a card as a payout method if you are a DoorDash driver. To do this, what you have to do is open the DoorDash app and go to the Earnings tab where you can see your earnings history for the past weeks and months. In there, tap the bank symbol that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see here, I've highlighted it for you. Immediately upon tapping the bank icon, you will see the payment methods attributed to your earnings. You have to choose either an instant payout or a daily payout, also known as FastPay. As you can see, for these two payout methods, you will be able to assign a card. For the instant payout, which is managed through Dasher Direct, you are going to receive a prepaid Visa card, and alternatively, if you choose a daily payout which has a fee, keep that in mind, you will be able to assign a custom debit card of yours. Regardless of which option you pick, either assigning a debit card using daily payouts through FastPay or by signing up for Dasher Direct and receiving a prepaid Visa card, you will be able to add the card to your DoorDasher driver account this way. It is going to be used as a payout method as soon as you are done setting it up through the earnings window, and regardless of which card you choose, you will be able to receive your payouts this way. Of course, if you are only trying to use the default DoorDash application, you will be able to add a card when you go into the payment methods for any order that you place and you reach checkout. But as a DoorDash driver, you will have to add a card through the Earnings tab inside of the payout methods. Choose between FastPay or Dasher Direct and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to add card to DoorDash Driver. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.